Good morning. Today we have a 2016 Road King. And this bike is beautiful. I just did tires, brakes, clean the air filter, and take a look at it. I mean, the bike looks gorgeous. It really is. I love this bike. I really do. 2016 Road King. It's, I would believe, an S model. It's absolutely breathtaking. The color, it's a heavy flake blue. It's gorgeous. All right, what I'm going to do is remove the air filter, take a look at it, and let's see what we got. As you can see, she is beautiful. But filters sometimes, if you take them for granted, you can be surprised. I don't think this will be one, but I like to take a look. Okay, put this stuff on the cardboard. Now you can see that's a little ugly. Now, if you could just think about it, the motor, it's got to be choking a little bit. Let me put this aside. I must clean it. Let's take a look at the air filter. Now, you know, no good can happen from this. That is dirt. It can only cause problems. And I believe add to the deterioration of a motor. With that, let me remove it. Now, let me just loosen these two up. And it's a good habit. Clean the filter or change it out. Now, if you look close, there's one here too. Okay. Pull this away. Now here's the breather. Now look at all that dirt. I'm going to stuff a rag in here and blow this all out. I don't know if you can see this, but this is terrible. I do not want to get any dirt into the motor. I'm going to try to stuff this in there. And with compressed air, we're going to do the same thing here. Now I'm cleaning the housing. You can see it's just that bad. Look at this. And you'd see how beautiful this bike is. But that's all right. We caught it. All right, that's clean. Now we'll work the gasket. A lot of blow by. All right, cast that aside. Look at this air filter, you can see it's polluted. I will recommend that he buy a new one. He has no idea how bad that looks. It's terrible. Let me try to clean it a little bit with some compressed air. You try to order these parts and it takes a little bit at Harley. So this is temporary. We'll try to clean it. I'll order one tonight. Now I'll remove this rag. You can see everything is pretty clean now. What I'm going to do is start it up and let's try to clean it with the Berryman. It's good stuff. If you find yourself that the bike idles a little funny, or it just feels like it's not running like it used to, a little of this while it started, it cleans out the IAC, the temperature, and it just cleans the system out. Let's start it up. Now you gotta take your time, you don't want to do too much. But it will run through the system. IAC hole is right there. And what this will do is clean up the idle. Filter, and it's a different bike. But for now, we gotta put that dirty one in. But we did clean up the IAC or any of the sensors. It helps, believe me. Now, we know that is indexed. Beautiful. You like to start these off by hand. Don't get yourself in trouble. Squarely fit it, feel for it. I took the bit off the gun. Start it by hand. The filter was saturated with oil. I'm just gonna snug it up. Here's his bottom one. Nice. Nice. And it kills me to put this old filter in here. I was tasked with doing the tires and brakes. I took it for a test ride and I heard a slight pop. And that's what got me looking at this. I love doing this. There's no way getting around it. I just love doing it. All right, let me put the cover back on. Take your time with this gasket. Make sure it's square. You'd be surprised how many bikes I see and these ain't even right. Look, I mean, look at that grease. You could just imagine the filter's somewhat like that. Was like that. I cleaned it pretty good. And that's blow-by from the oil. If I were to guess, there was too much oil in the motor. All right, we'll button her up. This is one good looking Road King. You wouldn't think that filter would look like that. All right, tighten it up, don't get crazy. Take your hand, feel that that rubber is all nice. I love using this Harley detailer. Very reasonable. This is the most reasonable thing at Harley. Little scratch. Fingerprints are gone. And you don't got to really rub it. It keeps building up. Just don't put it on when it's hot. I mean, you can do the paint, but the chrome and everything, make sure it's cold, because you'll burn the rag. These are the fiber collet rags. They're beautiful. Harbor Freight, very reasonable. I hate fingerprints when I work on a bike. Now that looks stunning again. So let's start it. Neutral. This is a healthy motorcycle. Now I'm not hearing that popping, but there's still, like I said, a new air filter, and this bike is better than new. It has a Screaming Eagle pipe. It has fuel management system. It's just a wonderful bike. I mean, look at that color. This bike absolutely runs perfect. A new air filter, and it don't get no better. If you could, please, thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. Ride safe and have a great day.